Black History Month quiz. It's time to test your history. Do you know Black history? Let's find out. Question: can you name the African American inventor known for the Super Soaker water gun? Lonnie Johnson. Lonnie George Johnson was born on October 6, 1949 in Mobile, Alabama. He is an American inventor, aerospace engineer, and entrepreneur. He is most famous for inventing the Super Soaker water gun. Did you know the answer to that question? How about these questions? What musical genre originated in African American communities, became a global cultural phenomenon? Who refused to give up her seat on a bus, sparking the Civil Rights Movement? What talented mathematician and NASA employee was the subject of the movie Hidden Figures? We'll find out in the next video. Subscribe to learn more Black history.